Hey guys, Michael here. I am back with another P3 video. This time I'm going to show you how to adjust the focus of the P3 manually using xTool Studio. So the advantage of this P3 is it can do the automatic process where you can put material in there, automatically focus on it and do its thing. And you don't have to really do a lot of extra steps. You're just ready to start engraving or cutting. However, there are times when you want to actually override that focus and set it to manual focus. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So take your material, you're going to put it in there wherever you want to put it. Right now, this is in automatic mode. So I put the material in, made sure it says ready to close the lid. Light is green. This light is green, and I'm going to close the lid and let it take a picture. All right, in xTool Studio, as you can see, it took a picture of the material. We are over here in automatic mode. It did its thing, it's measured it, it's ready to go. But I want to override what it auto measured. I want to change that to a manual focus. Over here on the right hand side, you're going to press the power button next to auto process complete, where you're going to switch to manual mode. Once you do that, as you can see now, we can see the distance down to the material. It is 40.5 millimeters. If I want to override that, I can come over here and make it 50.5, 60.5. Now, why would you want to do this? There are times when you want to manually adjust the focus to get a wider beam. The working point may not be that small of a dot. However, I want it to be a little bit wider beam to get a different look on an engraving. Now, let's say I'm done and I need to really auto measure this and I forgot what the original was. You can come over here and simply press this button right here and click on the material. And as you can see, we measured again at 40.5. We're back to where we started at. And when I'm finished doing what I want to do, I can switch it back. I can say right here, enable automatic mode, and it's ready for you to lift the lid, change out the material, put some new material in, and you're back to where you were when we first started. So you see, it's really easy to go from automatic mode, switch it over to manual mode, change your focus, whatever you need it to be, and then switch it back to automatic mode when you're finished. It's just that easy. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time.